Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about exercise number 2 in your course handout, and this is all about how to make poster using template. So this class is going to focus on the concept of making poster using template. In the previous class we have seen how to make poster from scratch from a blank document. But today we are going to see how to make a poster using the built-in templates available in Microsoft Word. Okay, you can see this from your course material. Like, first you have to open the Word application, and I am going to show you the steps. Just I will show you the activity first, and then I will show you the demo. Then you can choose the browser, then you will create it, write the browser information and save the steps. That's it. Very simple, and it is very easy. So it has only 5 steps which we are going to follow. You can refer to your course handout. See, first you have to open the Word and you have to choose the template and choose whichever the browser template you like. Then you have to create it, and then you will enter the browser information and save your browser. These are the 5 steps that we are going to have. Now let us go to the live demo of this one. Now you see, I will go to File, I will go to New. I will not use blank document now. I will go to Templates, and I am trying to make posters. Okay, I will just type posters and look for it. See, there are some open posters available here. Like, for example, there are many posters available because my job is to make a poster now. You can see these are built-in templates. These templates are already available. Okay, so now I want to use any one of this template. For example, probably I try to use this one. For example, this is about student of the week, but I can change it according to my need. And then I will have to press the button create. This makes your work easy because why? Because it makes the things very easy, because you no need to type anything. Everything is already set for you. The template is ready. Now you have to write some information that you want to write. Like, for example, I don't want to have it as student of the week. Okay, Dhofar University goals. I change it now for Dhofar University. Dhofar University. I just use any name I want to have. See, I can change the content as I like. Now I change this as Dhofar University, and then I write here my course. See, my course is business in business administration. I will write my course is business studies. Okay, business, the spelling is not correct. So you see, whenever this letter comes, don't worry, there's a mistake in the spelling. Business studies. Just, I make a poster about Dhofar University and about yourself maybe. Okay, now you can put a photo. Well, like, for example, you can change the name here, my university. See, for example, you can choose my university, and then you can add a photo if you want. Later on we can show. Then you can write here my hobbies, or my university, my department, your department. You can write about your department. You are studying in MIS, you are studying in accounting, anything you can write. Okay, Dhofar University, like, and then you can write here my city. You can write about your city. Okay, what are your favorites? You can write my favorites, or my hobbies. You can change it as my hobbies. See, it's very easy. You can put your content according to what you like. Okay, I want to be, when I am older, no need to write this word. For example, I want to change it as I want to be what in future. See, it's about a person. Okay, you are studying in Dhofar University, my university. See, for example, you can insert a picture. For example, you can also add a picture, insert caption. Okay, whatever you want you can add here. Like, for example, insert text box. For example, I'm just trying to show you. Okay, I just try to bring a small text box here. See here, I try to put it here. Okay, now I write here my course, or if you want undo, it's like here. Now for example, you want to add a picture, you can add a picture, like for example insert online picture. Okay, I told you already in the last class. Now go to Dhofar University, for example, Dhofar University, search. Now for example, you want this picture to be inserted, insert. Now this picture is inserted into it. Okay, now you can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it inside it. Okay, you can see here, now this is a picture that you have got. Cut the picture and maybe you can paste it inside. Paste. Okay, or you can also type the text whatever you want, add text. Okay, you can write my course is, you can put some picture wherever you want. Now here you are adding text in the text, or you can add here, like for example paste the image. Okay, so sometimes the image is very big, it will not come, so don't worry about it. So you can type here, where is it, my city. So now you see here, this is what you have here. Now 1 minute, that has gone. Just let me write down here, insert, add text. I write here, edit text. Okay, I write here. Okay, my university is located in Salalah. It is one of the first private universities in Oman. Like this, you can write one paragraph or one sentence, whatever you like, you can put it. If you want, you can add picture later, that's a different thing. My department, you can right click. Okay, you can right click and then you can, you have to get this type of thing, then only you will be able to write the text. You write here, I am studying diploma in business administration. You can adjust it later. Okay, don't worry, I'm in business administration. My department is very nice, is very nice, is very nice, is very nice, and it helps me, and it helps me to make sure, and it helps me to make sure, and it helps me to make sure that I become talented. I become talented, something like this. See, if you don't want maybe this picture, for example, you can see, now this is my department. Okay, can you see here, this picture is already there. Because this picture is already there, so you can just move it in a way that, okay, I'm studying business administration. You can see this is a small poster. This is what is poster about. Now I go here, I write here. See, now I write here, add text. Here I write add text. What I write here, I say my city is Salalah. My city is Salalah. Okay, then you write here in this one, add text. I want to be what? I want to be a manager in a company, and I want to serve my community and society. That's it, simple. Okay, you can write whatever you like. You can write what are your hobbies. Gardening, some people like gardening. Then you can write here reading books. Then you can write here reading books, gardening. Then you can write here for example like sports. Number 4, you can write here visiting places. See, now this is the idea. So now my poster is ready. Now my poster is ready. See, now my poster is ready. Now my poster is completely ready. See, you can write, okay, you can have the same poster for 4 pages, or you can just make it for 1 page as you like, because it is coming for, see, this has many things. Okay, manager of a company. See, this is another template which you want, you can use. If you don't want, you can delete. See, you can delete. Sometimes you don't want everything, you can just scroll over it like this, select and delete. Now you have one page poster. Can you see now? This is only one page poster. It is just a simple idea which I made. If you don't want Dhofar University, you can put your name. For example, you can put your name Mohammed, okay, Ahmed, something like this, okay, and then you make a poster about yourself. Similarly, you can make poster about your family, you can make a poster about your country, about any event. This is what is actually called a poster. Now after doing all these things, you have to save the file. File, save as. You can save it in the desktop or in documents, wherever. I am just saving it as exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, not exercise number 2, exercise number 2, Word. Now I save the file. Now you see the file is saved as exercise number 2, Word. I hope it's very clear for everybody. It's a very easy way. If you want, again I will show you. File, new. You will go here and you will type poster. You can see here you can create cards, flyers, letters, resume, anything you can make. Now I focus on poster. See, for example, you are going to write some event. For example, I am showing you another one. Download it, okay, write whatever, okay, sale, okay, and a red tag is turning 5 years, for example, 5 years, 5 years, we are open, date and time, join us for cake and coffee, okay, and then you write, we are, whatever you want, you can write, something like this. An invitation, you can make a poster like an invitation, like we have a celebration on this thing, okay, the event. Then you can write the date, time, location and join as, and you can use a message and write revert back as soon as possible. That means what? You have to give me email address whether you are coming or not. So this is very easy for you and you can easily do it. I believe you got the idea. If you want more clarification, I will be willing to do it during the class time. I think this video can make it easy for you to understand the idea to somewhat a clear extent, I believe. Thank you and see you.